Hi guys, it's Elliot here from Elliot FPV Reviews, and today I'll be unboxing and taking a quick look and sharing my first impressions of the new T-motor F60 Pro V2, and I have the 2700 kV variant. So that's here, 2700 kV. So yeah, let's go. So I'll first take a look at the box and show you around. So at the top we see F60 to the Force Pro V2 from T-motor, of course, and they ask to please like us on Facebook, so we'll do that. Now that I've done that, we can look for some other information. We'll flip it to the side, so all the usual recycling and certificates, blah 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 on here. Some QR codes that nobody ever uses anymore. So yeah, I'll skip on that. Like some URLs, T-motor. That's it. So now I'll take a look at the bottom. Here we can see that it's the F60 Pro V2 2700 kV version. I already said that, but there's also some other useful information on here. Like it says that it has a 4mm shaft. This is also a titanium shaft that's hollow, so it should be very strong. These are the dimensions of the motor itself. The motor weighs 31.1 grams without the cable. So with the cable, you're probably looking around like 34-35 grams with the whole cable. At idle at 10 volts, it uses 2 amps. So yeah, if that's useful for you, yeah, there you go. It accepts from 3 to 4 cells, so you can do the crazy 6S builds with this, but for that you need a way lower kV, because this will just burn everything on your quad. And the cables have a length of 150 millimeters. We'll check that once I unbox it. Now for the unboxing aspect of the video, I'll just take off the top of the box. There's a lot of stuff in there. So it comes with this soft padding that's really nice, and also has a nice plastic box that I'm sure you can use for like screws or something after you take the motor out of it, so that's also really nice. Yeah, so in here you get a little cord that says quality control pass, and it has a stamp on it, so I guess they check the quality on the motor. That's good to know. Like, okay. Then these are 2 stickers from T-motor. They're really nice. I'll be sure to stick on here, right there, and here over the Emacs logo, and I'll have any more instead. Yeah. In the box you'll get a little bag of screws. Show you. Just comes with, I think it are, yeah, just 4 screws. I'll see how many they are. The motor comes with all this hardware. So the motor comes with all of this hardware. You get like these 2 are for the bell to mount them. So yeah. And then you also get 4 motor mounts and 1 lock nut. So this is a M5 nylock lock nut, and these ones are M3 cup heads. That's really nice, because I always have to upgrade the motor screws because they never come with cup head at Emacs, but these ones come with it, so I'm really impressed. And they have a length of 7 millimeters. If you can see it, you can just, yeah, 7 millimeters. And yeah, so that's the hardware. And in here You also get this little silica gel bag you can't eat it, so you can throw it away, or reuse it in like a 3D printer filament box to keep the moisture away. So now for the motor, this is the motor. It looks really good. I've never seen a motor like with this good aesthetics. Yeah, you can see the little ripples here. That's for gripping the propeller better, so it won't slip anymore if it's a little loose. I can test it. Yeah, it's really held on there. You can't really move it around. It's like sandpaper but on the motor. Some kind of grip tape almost. So you can see it's a hollow shaft here. The shaft, they said it was 4 millimeters. I can check, and it's even 5. It's 5 millimeters. Huh? They said 4. But I can read 5. So I don't know, that's the inner part. Of course, this is the M5 screw, so it must be 5 millimeters. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's the inner part, but I'm sure they aren't lying. Here on the bottom you can see it's a 16 by 16 mount, so you don't need these little cutouts anymore. This is the future, so I hope like the frame makers and the motor makers, they will all adapt to this motor mount soon, because it's better. And as you can see, I'll zoom in a bit, the air gap is pretty small. There is a noticeable air gap, but it's small. And when I move the motor, I can also feel all of the individual magnets very well, so that also means most of the time that it's a very strong motor. So yeah, you can also see that these windings, these are a new kind of windings. These are actually silver windings, but they coated it in some other kind of enamel coating, and that makes it look bronze, but it's actually silver wire, so you'll get all the advantages of that. So that's really good, but this can handle a higher temperature. And for the rest, yeah, it's written F60 Pro 2 2700 kV. Yeah, there's a little screw on the bottom. It's a 1.5 millimeter hex you can take out. Now I'll measure the distance or the length of the motor wires. So I'll start here with the motor at 0, and the wires, yeah, they come up all the way to 15 and then a little bit extra even. That's nice. So yeah, you can just use these ones with a 4-in-1 ESC, and you don't need to solder extra pieces to them like with the other motors. Yeah, what's there else to say? It's it's a really nice looking motor, and I hope it will have great performance, but I'm almost sure of it. And yeah, be sure to look out for the next video. It will be about this motor, where I will review it. So yeah, have a great day, and please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, bye.